coming to you from Baker's Green Acres, and it's a good time for a video right now. I think if you could be here, we've had some really hot days, and we got some rain this morning, which was really nice. And right now there's a little bit of a breeze, so it's a real relief from the heat that we've had. So what I'm doing, before we're supposed to get some more rain, but what I'm doing here in kind of a scramble is getting this field. I'm in the grow area, and this field is the field that I just took pigs off of a week ago. So it was forage radishes, and they took the tops off. As I looked through there, they did pull out quite a few of the radishes. They're gone, and I'm not seeing a bunch of radishes coming up on top here. But what I'm doing right now is, before it rains, I'm wanting to get this tilled up and then planted and covered, and then I can walk away from it. Okay, they're over here now in the peas, and I guess they've been in here for a week, and you know, they're making a dent in it, but they're very happy. They got their little wallow going, but they're very, very content animals because it's nice and cool in there and they've got plenty to eat. So I want to show you what this looks like before and after a good shot of this. Okay, on this side you can see there's a lot of stalks and organic material, and then there's quite a few manures, quite a few of them. I mean, it's really covered. And then once I run over it with the tiller, this is a 6-foot tiller, it looks like this. And when I get down in here and pick some of this up and look through it, it's really nice stuff. It's got a good smell to it as well. Huh. Here's a treasure. Look at this. Piece of old steel. Looks like a spring. Huh. Stuff keeps turning up in here. So anyway, I've been on this for like 10 minutes, and I'm gonna be done with it in another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna have it seeded and walked away from it. And all told, this morning I've probably got a half an hour into it, and then it's summer, and this soil is fertile and it's moist, and we're going to get some rain, so this field will just explode. Now I talked to you about my fencing situation here. What I've done is I've made it so that I can isolate the 3 fields from each other. So I isolated this from the other 2 fields, and I was able to go through with a weed whacker and totally clear that fence, and then I can go through with a fork and I can pull all the material down there and just kind of shape it so when this field is ready for pigs to go back on it, it's up and ready. All I have to do is pull a fence and in they come, and then I don't have to worry about them for a while. Now in here, where they're in here right now, I'm not feeding them now because there's so much in here for them to eat. So it's a good situation. You can see they've really worked over the peas. That's what they like the best. And then what's standing is lamb's quarter right here, and that's what they usually like. So we are able to determine that they like peas better than lamb's quarter. I do too. It's sweeter. All right, so I'm going to get back on this, finish it up, get it planted. I can see the rain clouds are coming. Have a good Saturday. Anyone can farm.